touch you. And you're going to come to me with, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Then he started complaining again. He asked you a question again. What are you doing here? To get him to see, I've given you enough. Then what he did was, he said, now go back the same way you came. Because there were some people back there that did not worship other gods. There's some people back there that I want you to get from me. See, we are on a journey, y'all, and we have to get out and get our brothers and sisters out there. Because everybody out there ain't on drugs. Everybody out there ain't in games. Everybody out there ain't fighting. Everybody out there ain't causing mischief in the home. Every husband ain't beating his wife. Every wife ain't cheating on her husband. There are some people out there that we got to go get to get them to Christ. Oh my God, my God. Oh my God. So don't let fear set in. You are a child of God. Know who you are in God. Believe who you are in God. You got to stand on his word. And no matter what you do, no matter how rough it gets, you know that God is with you. He said, I'll be your companion in the midst of your trouble. My God. That means that he's not just going to be around you. He's going to be right there beside you, walking you through and encouraging you to keep going forward. We got to get out there and do what God has called us to do. Amen? Give God a hand praise.